Give me a beet. That's right. We are making something with beets. Why? Because they're in season. And you know, beets are so nutritious for you. I thought, why the hell not? I mean, they're chock full of vitamins and minerals. You just can't go wrong with beets. So what you want, I got 3 beets. Hi, what the hell is that? All right, I'll just leave them. I didn't even notice that. What we got going on here are 3 big beets. Big beets. Beat it. Yeah. And we're just peeling them, right? Just peeling them. Trying to peel them. Clock wipe. Give me a clock wipe. And put a beet to it. You know, like I said, beets are well known for their abundance in vitamins and minerals. Potassium, fiber, vitamin A, B, and C, just to name a few. But the beautiful red root, they're also chock full of boron, a trace mineral said to increase sex hormone levels, making them a natural aphrodisiac. Yeah. Okay, our beet is peeled. Beauty. Now, we need a little fire here. And we're going to add a cup of water. Make sure it's nice filtered water. We don't want to taint our beets. I've got a cup and a half of sugar. Yeah, you could use white sugar. I'm just using an organic raw cane sugar. A little bit of honey. Honey pie. And I want 1/3 cup of honey into the pot. You want to keep stirring to melt all that honey and that sugar, blend it all in. Apple cider vinegar. We are going to add 1/3 cup. Yeah. And that apple cider vinegar is going to tone down some of the sweetness because the beets are sweet too, right? So this should take about 10 minutes to dissolve all our ingredients in here. Ooh, I'm smelling the apple cider vinegar. All right, we'll turn the heat down just a hair there. And in the meantime, we're gonna, you cut it. Come on, you can do better than that. All right, we'll get rid of him. We just wanna cut these beets into rough cut, you know? Doesn't have to be anything fancy. Somewhat small chunks, just chunks, you know? Actually, that's probably good just like that, right? And just start adding the beets to the mix here. Beet syrup. When was the last time you made beet syrup? Beets are hard. Well, yeah, of course they are, Bruce. My thumb. Is that blood or just beet juice? And he laughs. Oh my God. I should take life more seriously, I guess. I don't know, man. It's already serious enough. Why would I? It's all fun and game till someone loses a hand. A hand. Almost there. I should have asked for another clock wipe, I guess, eh? Okay, we brought it to a boil here. Now we're just going to bring it down just slightly. Just to bring it down to a simmer. We need to soften those beets, right? So that's going to take about 20 minutes. So, I will see you 20 minutes, thereabouts. Wow. We're back. And I think this is pretty much done. It's been about 20-25 minutes. And what I'm going to do is I got my little potato masher here. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a mash. They're still a little firm, but that's okay. I think we've extracted as much flavor as we're going to extract. That looks pretty good, actually. It smells like beets and sweaty feet. Sweaty feet from the apple cider vinegar. But like I said, the apple cider vinegar cuts some of that sweetness down, right? Because we did use 1.5 cups of sugar to 1 cup of water. All right, let's turn our stove off. Put it through the colander here and see what, whoa, 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 whoa. There's a beetle. Okay. Oh boy. All right, man, that's hot. Oh, look at that color. Beautiful. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. All right, look at that. Beautiful. Mm-hmm. That's good. So what we're gonna do is just transfer it, and I'm just gonna strain it out, fine strain it out, just in case. Oh yeah, there's a few little fragments of beet going on there. Nice. And you should probably let it cool down, but I'm okay. What did we end up with here? We ended up with a cup and a what? 1 1/3 cups. 1 1/3 cup. And we'll just bottle this. Should have probably got a funnel. Look at that color. Oh my God, look at that color. Beet-utiful. Oh yeah. There it is. So you'll probably get about 2 weeks maybe in the fridge. Well, actually, I wouldn't even bother putting it in the fridge because this is going to thicken up. Just leave it on your counter. Keep it cool, keep it quiet, keep it dark, you know, kind of idea. So if you wanted to, you could preserve it and you probably get a month to 6 weeks out of it. I've got a little too much in there and it's too hot to handle. It's too hot. So I'm going to dump a little bit out. A little bit more. That's good. Man, that's hot. Hoppa, hoppa, hoppa. We are hot. Now, what should we fortify it? What goes with beets? Vodka. Vodka. Vodka goes with beets, of course it does. Rum would work very well. Whiskey. Whiskey would work. Anything would work. I'm just gonna go with vodka. It's pretty neutral, right? Actually, Tito's. Doesn't matter what kind of vodka. And we're gonna put, whoa! We're gonna put about close to 1 ounce there. About 1 ounce in there. Actually, I'm gonna leave the lid off because it's way too hot. But I am gonna try some. And I'll probably burn myself in the meantime. But like I said, this is gonna thicken up like crazy once it cools down. Oh, smells like beets. Why wouldn't it, Bruce? Oh my God. That's nice. Beety. So, now that you know how to make a beet syrup, why would you take me seriously? We got a fabulous cocktail coming up just for Halloween using our marvelous beet syrup. Get beet. Cheers. Hey, buddy. You want some beet juice? No? Maybe a Zagnut bar? Thanks for watching. If you like what you just saw, hit that subscribe button down there. Doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be supporting us. How wonderful would that be? Thank you.